That'll cut the actual thing. And there we go. Or you can also use a scissors, but I just go back and forth. Bend it and go back and forth, and eventually it come off. And then what I would do before I do both, go ahead and see what it looks like inside of the pot. See, this is the excess, and this is how long it is. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it inside of here. You'll be amazed at how many people have fake flowers. I'm going to stick this right inside of here. And I was going to kill the plants inside of it, but I was like, you know what? Why would I do that? And beautiful flowers still growing on it. So you can actually mix this if you want to, or you can just do a predominantly fake plants. It's all up to you. Michaels have the best type of flowers, and right now they on sale 50% off. Get them when they 50% off. You can get whatever flowers you want. Make you some dirt. If you don't have that, set you some dirt up. Get you whatever pot that you want, whatever flowers you want, and just set it inside of there, because that makes it look real when you have it with dirt. But you see how long this is? And all I do is I just do this back and forth. And they also have scissors too. You can be able to do that. See, just back forth, and then it came off. So I'm gonna add this to the rest. And see, guys, the good thing about using fake plants is if you live in Georgia like I do, it's so hot, and you don't have to water them, because if they real flowers, you most definitely gotta water them daily. And I just got tired of my flowers dying, and then this girl told me, she was like, you know what, that stuff is not real. Just a lot. She said, I mean, don't get me wrong, a good bit of it is, but a good bit not. She was like, go to the store, go to Michael's, go to Hobby Lobby, find you whatever flowers you like, and go from there. And the first time I bought my first flower was for my wedding anniversary, and I loved it. So guys, don't be so quick when you get married to buy real flowers, because they go die anyway. Buy you some nice silk pretty flowers. Just stick it straight inside of the dirt. You arrange it however you want it to be arranged. And I'm telling you, girl, nobody will know they fake. Nobody will know. See, you never know. I'm telling you. Try it. I know you'll like it. You can use whatever flowers you want inside there. And like I said, I didn't kill the flower. I didn't take those flowers out because they were still alive. But if they was, you don't even have to have flowers in there. Like I said, you can do completely fake flowers. But try it. I know you guys will like it. Comment below. Bye, guys.